Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening and focusing the terminal so you can move it. Press Ctrl+ to toggle the integrated terminal. It appears at the bottom by default. Once visible, make sure the panel is active by clicking inside it, because focus controls where commands run. If shortcuts don't work, use the menu, View Terminal. Now that the terminal is open and focused, you're ready to reposition it. This immediate step prevents accidental command execution in the wrong pane. You can relocate the terminal by dragging its tab to any edge, which docks it there. This is useful for side-by-side workflows. Alternatively, open the panel menu and choose Move Panel right, left, or bottom for precise placement without dragging. Once moved, split terminals by clicking the plus icon or pressing Ctrl+/ to run multiple shells. Make sure to name or color code tasks so you know which pane runs which command. These methods let you tailor layout to your workflow efficiently. You finish by saving and testing the terminal placement so it behaves consistently across sessions. If you want persistence, confirm your workspace settings or set defaults under Preferences. Once done, run a quick command to verify focus and path. If the terminal won't move or shortcuts don't respond, check for keybinding conflicts or extensions that override panel behavior. Disable suspected extensions briefly. As a last resort, use View, Reset Panel Position to restore defaults. This usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.